We're going to learn how to make this the 3D lace petals, and the materials needed are the ones I displayed. We are going to use because it's a bit opaque, we'll use our satin, bridal satin, and then we'll use the hard crinoline mesh. There are two types, so this is the hard one, and then we'll make use of our organza for the top. This will give us a transparent look. So if you want only a transparent look, you can use this too, but if you want it to be a bit opaque, which is what the design has, we are going to use these three. And to glue these three layers together, to glue these two layers together before we turn, we make use of our hemming gum. Okay, then after that, we place our organza on it, ensure that it doesn't waste. Okay, so we are going to laminate the organza with the mesh now. Okay, and then that's the first step. So after laminating, see, it is now a single, like they are now glued together. So this is the first step to make the organza thick and give that firm or standing look. So the next is to cut out the exact shape. So this is the pattern. You can cut any shape you want to make. This is the shape I want to laminate now. So it's just to cut it out. You can cut any shape you want to or you wish to laminate. There is no particular shape, but just have a pattern so that you get a uniform shape all through as you are cutting. Okay, so this is what we have. See how stiff it is and looks transparent. So I'm going to repeat this thing to get so many of them. Now if it is transparent patterns I want to make, this can as well go, but because we are making a 3D opaque petals, I'm now going to turn with this satin so that the petal will be opaque. Okay, but if not, I'm just okay with this. So because of that, I don't want this rough edge. That's why I didn't laminate all of them together. So I'm just going to turn with this, like turn it and then press it so that it will hide all the rough edges and rough work inside. Now this is what we have after turning the laminated petals with the satin. So it's no longer transparent. Now it's looking opaque. So that is all of them one by one that I'm going to fix. Now I'm going to start attaching them to my cape. That's the cape I've made already. So I'll be attaching them to the cape one by one using needle and thread so that it will stick properly, or to stitch it one by one. So you see, I'm arranging them the way that it will give me the shape of petals. So that's what I'll do all through from beginning to end. I just said let me show everyone the full working for this particular video. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share these videos, invite your friends to watch, and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Brites Fashion Academy. So see, as I'm progressing with the petals now, attachments, see, I'm sewing them in one by one from beginning to the end. So I'll fill the full cape. See, I filled the full cape with the petals. That's the last set now I was attaching there. And then after that's the last set as that. After that, I checked for all the empty holes and then tried to fill them up so that the petals will look full. So when you are making, ensure that the petals are plenty so that you don't run out of flowers. Though if you do, you can always make more. It's not really difficult to make actually, but just make sure that it is full and fluffy so that the embellishments will show. So this is it. After everything, this is what we have from beginning to end. And then I went ahead to embellish them. I didn't show that part one by one with beads, and this is the outcome. This is the